In this video, I will give you a quick tutorial about the futures trading on the platform KCEX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on KCEX, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you will get the lowest fees possible in the crypto market and 0 withdrawal fees on all cryptocurrencies. Also, after the sign-up, you can go up here to the event center and your new user rewards, where you can easily pick up your exclusive sign-up bonus. As you can see right here, right after you've signed up, you can pick up your first $200 right here, and then after you've deposited and started trading, you can get even more bonuses with up to a total of $370. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here, and the first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. So simply go up here to wallets and then click on deposit. Then right here, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In my case, I recommend you to use USDT, but you can of course also use any other cryptocurrencies. Then right after that, you can select the network right here. As you can see, it supports many different networks. Just make sure that you're using the same network as from the wallet or exchange that you're sending the money from. In my case, I'm going to choose the Tron network. And then down here, I will get my personal deposit address, which I can now copy to my clipboard and then send the USDT over this network to this address. I recommend you, if you're sending larger amounts, to first send a small test transaction. And once you've received everything, then send the remaining amount with a second transaction. So this is how you can deposit any cryptocurrency. If you want to know how you can deposit fiat, so euro, US dollar, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, unfortunately, there is no direct option to do it on this exchange, but I have a separate video on my channel where I show you step by step how you can do that over a separate exchange. So you first buy crypto on another exchange and then send that crypto to KCEX to then trade on here. So if you're interested, check out the other video on my channel. And now the next thing I want to show you is if you have deposited any money, you simply can go up here to wallets and then click on spot. And then here you can check if any of your deposits have already arrived, and sending crypto usually only takes up to a few minutes. And then you should be able to see your balance right here. The next step only applies to you if you have deposited something else than USDT. So if you have, for example, deposited Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you will see it right here. And now in order to trade with it, we need to first convert it to USDT. And you can do that by simply going up here to spot. Then up here in the left, choose the trading pair. So whichever currency you have deposited, let's assume you deposited Bitcoin, you will just select Bitcoin right here. Then go over to the right side and click on sell BTC, click on market. You will see your available balance right here, and then choose how much you want to sell, or you can just put it to 100% and click on sell BTC, and then you will have it sold and converted to USDT. And that's exactly where we needed to trade with it. And then you can simply go up here to wallet and click on spot again. And then once you have it here in USDT, we now in our last step need to transfer it from our spot account right here to our futures account. And you can do that by going up here to transfer and then select from spot to futures. In here, we need to choose USDT, as you can see, and then just enter the amount down here. You will see your available balance. I'm just going to select, for example, 150. You can also choose all and then just click on transfer. And then you will see we transferred it successfully to our futures account. If we go to our futures account, we will now be able to see our balance right here. And this is the money that we can use to trade with. Next up, let's check out the trading platform. And we get there by simply going up here to futures. Then we will get to this trading page right here. I'm now going to show you step by step everything that we can see right here. So first of all, up here in the left, you can select the trading pair. So whichever currency you want to trade. As you can see, these are all the trading pairs that you can trade with the futures trading. So there's quite a lot of them. In my case, I'm just going to stick with Bitcoin for now. Then down here, you will see the price chart. You can choose between original or trading view. I personally prefer trading view. Then you can just move around here in the chart, select different tools in here in the left, or also choose the different time frames at the top right here. Right on the right side, we will see the order book up here, and down here the recently happened trades. If you scroll down a little bit at the bottom, you will see your open positions, which we'll get into in just a bit when we open our first position, as well as your open orders or your history. Here on the right side, you will see your available balances. In my case, you can see the $150 that we deposited. And up here, this is where we can control our trades. So where we can open and close trades, choose the order type, set the leverage, choose the position size, and open long and short positions. All right, so let's open our first long position. And to do that, we simply go up here, choose open. For the margin mode, I recommend you to just leave that on isolated. And up here on the right, we can choose our leverage. In my case, I'm just going to choose a 5x leverage for now and click on confirm. Next, we can choose the order type. You can choose between limit and market. If you use a limit order, you could set a certain price at which you want your position to be open. For example, if you type in here $84,000, then a pending order would be placed in here. And only if the price goes down and reaches that price, then our long position would be open. But what I would recommend you and just use most of the time is just a normal market order. And a market order is just executed immediately at the current market price. Next, Next up, we can choose our position size, and I recommend you to click on here and definitely choose here by quantity in USDT. So we will see our position size in here in USDT. So let's hit confirm, and now we can type in how big we want our position to be. So let's say I want to have a $500 position size. I just type that in right here. Down here under margin, you will see how much of your own money you will be using for this position. So in this case, it will be $100 of our own money times the 5x leverage will equal the entire position size of $500. So that's how the calculation of our own capital times the leverage and the entire position size works. Once I'm fine with that, I could also set a take profit and stop loss if I want to do that. So if I click on here, I could either just directly type in the prices, or if I click on advanced, I can choose also how much profit or loss I would make. So if I click on here, I can choose between percentage return on invest, price percent change, or my personal profit or loss. I personally prefer this one because now I can simply type in here, I want my take profit to be where I make $50 of profit. And you will see this will be 50% profit on my initial $100 in this case, of course. And I will make $50 of profit and at that price, which is automatically calculated and put in here. I can do the same for my stop loss. So let's say I want to make a maximum of $20 of a loss, and also the price is calculated. And then I can just click on confirm. This is all set up. And now I can just click on open long, and I will open my first long position. I can directly see it in the chart. This right here is where I entered. Here is my position size, the $500 position size. Here's my current profit or loss. And up here is my take profit. And down here is my stop loss. If I scroll down a little bit, I can also see all the important information about my trade down here. So I can see it's a Bitcoin trade with a 5x leverage. We can immediately see up here our open profit or loss. Currently the price has gone down a little bit, so that's why we are in a small loss. Here I can see my position size again. Here margin, this is my own capital in this trade. Here on the right, this is realized P&L. So if I would take partial profits or close parts of the position, then I would see that right here under realized P&L. And at the beginning, it's always a small loss of a few cents if you go over your mouse over. So these are just the trading fees for opening the position. At the left, we can also see our liquidation price. So if you don't have a stop loss, currently we have one, but let's assume we didn't place one and the price would go down this much to $71,000. Then this position right here would be liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our initial margin, in this case, the $100 of our own capital in this trade. But of course, we can prevent that by placing a stop loss, which we have already done right here. As you know, we set like $20 of a loss. So we already limited our losses by placing this stop loss right here. If you want to edit them, you could either just go into the chart, just drag and hold and place it to a new position. This works for the stop loss as well as your take profit. So you can change up the values just like that. Or if you click down here on this little pen icon, you can, of course, either edit the price right here or just type in another value in here. Let's say $50 of profit and let's say minus $15 of a loss, confirm. And now you will see they are all adjusted. If you want to close a position, you can just simply scroll up again, go here on the right to close, and then either type in the amount in USDT or use the slide controller to choose how much percent you want to close. So you could, for example, close 50%. This will mean you will take out $250, or if you just put it to 100% and then just click on close long, you will see now the entire trade is closed. Don't forget to create an account on KCEX by using the first link down from the video description to enjoy the lowest fees anywhere and get up to $370 of bonuses. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.